It's All You Can Vegas. Hey everybody, it's Derek and I'm here at the Linq Promenade at the Linq Las Vegas. Let's go see what there is to eat. There is so much to eat here at the Linq Las Vegas, not the least of which is In-N-Out. In-N-Out Burger. One of the most popular places to eat here at the Linq. It's always crowded, full of people eating their animal-style burgers and fries. There's also flour and barley. This is brick oven pizza. You can see the pizzas right here. Looks like you can get some slices. And if there's a whole sit-down restaurant as well. Flour and barley with all sorts of entrees. So you got two options there. You can sit down or you can get it to go. Same thing with In-N-Out. You can eat here or take it with you, and you can eat outside here by the fountain. There's also American or American, that can-do spirit here in America. Beer and cocktails like beer cans, I guess is what they're going for here. It's all about drinking here at American. And here's Ja Burritos. This is the sushi burrito place. And you just come in here and order. Looks like they have sushi rolls. Look at that. It's literally like, it looks like sushi. But it's as big as a burrito. And here's Sprinkles. Sprinkles cupcakes. These are gourmet cupcakes. And they actually have a Sprinkles cupcake ATM. This is an automated teller machine for cupcakes. You can actually order your cupcakes right here with it, like you're using an ATM, and they'll come right out. That's fun. But there's more to eat. There's always more to eat. Here's Favorite Bistro. This is a French restaurant. A fancy place to eat. Not that fancy, but it looks like a nice French restaurant. And here's Ghirardelli Chocolate. Very popular chocolatier. And here at Ghirardelli, wow, look at this. It's a whole store and like a whole place for, I don't know what you get here besides chocolate. Maybe it's just chocolate, but it's so much crazy chocolate. I mean, look at all this chocolate. Oh, it does look like you can get ice cream and parfaits of some sort. Hot fudge sundae. Oh, there we go. Up there it says hot fudge sundae, golden gale. It's like a banana split. Yeah, so there is a lot of chocolate goodness to eat in there, and it's just the beginning. Oh, here's the Brooklyn Bowl. This is a live music venue. You can see bands here, rock and roll, and they also have fried chicken. I heard a scream behind me, and I think that's from this virtual reality adventures right there, where life gets pretty real inside the virtual reality adventure. I don't know what's going on in there. All right, let's head over to the Honolulu Cookie Company. This is Hawaiian style cookies, I imagine. Hello. So what makes Honolulu cookies special?
Hi.
Hi.
So we use all Hawaiian-inspired flavors.
Okay.
Over here, back at our our sample station, we have our top 9 favorites for you to
Oh, so there's
try.
samples. Oh, great.
Yeah. Have you been in one of our stores before?
No, never. But I know they're very popular. I hear
Yes.
about them all the time.
The company's been around for 20 years now. Yeah. And we just recently opened up our newest location across the street at Caesar's Palace.
Oh, so there's a new one over at Caesar's Palace?
Yes, you guys gotta go check it out.
Excellent, thank you very much. So I can just try some samples over here too?
Of course.
Awesome. All right, so we got butter macadamia, pineapple macadamia, white chocolate macadamia. I'm noticing a theme here. There's a lot of macadamia. And here's a white chocolate coconut, dark chocolate Kona, and dark triple chocolate. All right, I do like macadamia. I think I'll try one of these. White chocolate dipped macadamia.
We're waiting for that facial expression. How is it? Is it good? There you go.
It is good.
I'm just being extra.
Very good, thank you.
All right, mahalo.
Nice people, nice cookies, free samples. Doesn't get any better. Here's Jimmy Kimmel's Comedy Club. This is coming soon. Here to the Linq Promenade for your comedy entertainment. And here's the Yard House. This is a restaurant for all sorts of burgers and sandwiches and steaks and seafood, basically. Oh, they even have the Gardein patties if you're a vegetarian. Lots to eat in there. Now here's Chili Beans. This is not a food establishment. This is some kind of a sunglass store. Sunglasses, and stylish accoutrements, including your Harry Potter line of Chili Beans sunglasses. Oh, this is Max's. So this Max's is, this used to be Cantor's Deli, but Cantor's closed and now it's Max's. Just like being at Cantor's, but it's called Max's. And we're here at the High Roller. This is the observation wheel. Got these globes that rotate high above the strip for some of the most amazing views in Las Vegas. But that's just one half of the Linq Promenade. We have plenty more to see. Make our way back down. Maybe get some more samples at the Honolulu Cookie Company. Oh, so here's this is a Pier 30. This is like a shoe store or some sort of t-shirt place where you can get novelty shirts, funny things on them. No food here though. All right, so we're making our way back here. We're kind of in the center of the Linq Promenade by the In-N-Out and the Flour and Barley and American. So over here there's a few shops, Javianas for your flip-flop needs, Harley Davidson for your motorcycle needs, and here's Virgil's Real Barbecue for your barbecue needs. And I do need some barbecue. This smells, I can just smell it right now. This smells like a barbecue place. Virgil's. I believe the Virgil's menu has barbecue styles of all over the country, like American barbecue of different regions, if I believe. So it's a lot of barbecue. That's all I know. There's lots of barbecue there. Oh, and there's the Tilted Kilt. So the Tilted Kilt is an Irish-style pub. Definitely looks like a pub here on the inside. There's sports on the screens. There's lots of beer on tap, and there's plenty of food and drink. But there's still more to eat down here at the Linq Promenade. You see people flying overhead on the zip line. risking their very lives for a momentary thrill. And here's the official Welcome to Fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada store. You can get all sorts of souvenirs and things with the word Vegas written on them. And here's Off the Strip Bistro. It's open 24/7. That's almost all day. Now, apparently this place off the strip started literally off the strip, way away from the strip, but they moved here on the strip. They're still called Off the Strip. As you can see, it's a nice, cool place to eat here just outside the casino. You can see some of those slot machines back there. That's from the Linq Casino. Oh, and it's I Love Sugar. So I Love Sugar is coming very, very soon here at the Linq Promenade. You can see gummy bears of all shapes and sizes coming soon here to the Linq Promenade. All the sugar you could possibly want, you're gonna get it here because this place looks huge. You can get the scope of this. I mean, it's like it's gonna be at least 2 stories, maybe 3, who knows? It could keep going. This definitely looks like someplace you can love sugar. So right here by the entrance to the Flamingo.
Perfect. All right, that should be good.
And here's Chayo. This is a Mexican restaurant here. If you're craving something Mexican, maybe you want mimosas. Bottomless mimosas for 21 bucks.
If you move your feet, your bodies will follow.
There's a magic show in progress right over here.
Yeah, take your time, but hurry up.
Something terrible is probably going to happen to this kid.
Here it is. And then come all the way up to the line. It's not part of the show. It's a power play. And I won.
Well, there you go. Now there's still more to eat here. There's Gordon Ramsay fish and chips right next to this daiquiri bar. Let's take a look. See what's happening inside Gordon Ramsay. Oh, it's fish and chips all the time in Gordon Ramsay. Fish and chips. Look at that, you can see the chips, the fish, I should say, being made right there. That looks pretty good. You got your fish and chip combos, sauces, and even the sticky toffee pudding pops or a sticky toffee pudding shake. All that sounds really good to me, and it smells pretty good in here too. All right, let's get out of there and see. Oh yeah, this place is sticky chicken. Look at this, it's like a food truck, but right here in the middle of the Linq Casino, right here at the entrance to the Linq Casino. It's the food truck, the sticky chicken.
Why does it look so green? It doesn't look white.
Look at that.
Does it have another blue cheese? The blue cheese doesn't look good.
She has a faulty blue cheese there. There's lots of seating here reserved for the sticky chicken. Oh yeah, and there's right across from here is Hot Doggery. Hot Doggery for your gourmet hot dogs. All the gourmet hot dogs that you might want. Let's take a look at this menu here. They've got hot dogs, retro dogs, and the goods. Oh, they also have burgers. And look, mini things like mini corn dogs called bites. Let's see what it looks like in here. Pretty small in here. Pretty chill though, not too loud. It's actually a nice little quiet little retreat from all the madness. Look at this, here's pictures of the different dogs. They just have some very unusual dogs. I mean, this one looks like it might even have foie gras on it. So we're almost at the front of the Linq Promenade. There's a Starbucks here. There was some kind of alcoholic drink place here. It's not here anymore. And here's your box office for the High Roller and Penn and Teller. Oh, just a bunch of anything. Oh, so this is where I guess you can get your tickets. You can zip line like a maniac. A lot of people wanting to fly on this zip line. And here's Margaritaville, Jimmy Buffett's Margaritaville, right here. That's actually in the Flamingo. This whole Linq Promenade, this place just used to be like an alleyway. This was just the alleyway in between the Flamingo and the Linq, which the Linq, of course, used to be the Imperial Palace. For a while it was called the Quad, and now it's the Linq. And there is a lot to eat here at the Linq. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the Linq Promenade. And be sure to subscribe for more, because there's always more to eat when it's all you can Vegas.